Hi you guys, so today I have a little haul. It's from Zoya, and this is the first time I've ever ordered from Zoya. Now Zoya polishes are like 0.08, I think. So 0.8 of those bad chemicals that they use in nail polishes. So yeah, they sent me an email on around Earth Day, and it was for 50% off their nail polishes. And I would get a free gift if I bought 12. So I did buy the 12 and I got the free gift, and I'm so excited, you guys. I've never had Zoya before, I already said that, but I'm so excited because I've been wanting to try them for the longest time. They are $10 a polish. To me, that's kind of out of my budget, so when they go on sale, I think it's a great deal. And then they do this the way to get the 50% off was that I need to send back, I think, 12 nail polish, like empty, or 12 nail polishes to them. So if you guys didn't know, I do project polish, where I try to use up as many nail polishes as I can in a year. So that will be linked here in the cards right here. If you guys would like to go see those in the playlist, it'll be at the end of the video as well. But yeah, I am so excited. I've never had Zoya polishes. Now I'm gonna start opening the box while I talk about it, because there is some stuff that is kind of cute about them, is that they name their nail polishes like female names most of the time. So I picked out my name. I picked out a friend's name that I plan to give a a birthday gift to. And I picked out, I think my daughter's name is in here, maybe not. The polish wasn't that great looking. I don't remember if I purchased it or not. And then I just got a lot of colors I like. I know they have like collections for seasons and stuff like that you can also purchase on their website. I'll leave them linked down below if you're interested. I don't have any kind of affiliation or links or anything like that, and I have been asked to like test out products before and stuff like that, but I don't usually do it, especially like if it's like Amazon and stuff like that, just because I'm kind of like skeptical about, I don't want to push you guys to like try to buy things. But anyway, it has these little peanut things, so I'm just kind of taking these out. I've never got a package with peanuts, honestly. So that's kind of funny. My kids are gonna want them. They always want like the bubbles that you pop and stuff like that. Okay, so the first box, it says professional nail lacquer, Zoya. I don't know what's in here. It says, let's see, let's open it up. Oh, okay. So they also sent me the wide angle brush tips. So normally they come with these little thin ones, and they sent me one for every polish I got as well for free, which is amazing and very generous of them. So thank you so much, Zoya. If you guys ever watch this video, I am so elated and excited to have this. And then I also got, I think this is more of those little caps, because I got one for each one. I got 12 nail polishes. Yeah, so there's another 6 in this box. Let me show you guys. There's 6 more of these. I'm not even showing it to you. So there's a little wiggle space in there. I think they probably come 8 in a box, but since I only ordered 12, they sent me 2 boxes of 6. That's what I'm guessing. Taking out more peanuts, you guys. More peanuts. This is pretty good, well packaged, because they're all boxed, like in little boxes. So let me see. I'm gonna have to drop some on the floor, peanuts, to get these out. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Just staying home and being safe. I know a lot of states are lifting up their stay-home orders and letting people go to stores and stuff, but I really hope that people still cover their faces and stuff, because that virus is still out there and it's still dangerous to a lot of people. I know like young people feel that they're immune, or immunity will fight it off, but like my son, he has asthma and he's young. So I mean, if please talk to your kids and things like that, and let them know you guys still need to cover up, because there's other kids out there that aren't as fortunate as them, and elderly people that aren't fortunate enough. Anyway, so yeah, so the first one I got is in a little, so it came in this box, and it had 6 polishes in this box, and I just pulled them all out, and they are all right here. I will try to, I don't like doing nail swatches because I feel like, okay, here's the story, true story. I sub-taught for 3 years, and one of the aides at one of the special ed classrooms I sub-taught in a few times, she said something about having fat little midget fingers, and that really upset me. And so yeah, I don't like to take pictures of my fingers. So that's the whole thing with that. But eventually, hopefully, I will embrace my body and everything and be comfortable with it. But for right now, I'm not. I'm still hurt about that comment and stuff like that. So anyway, let me go back to the polishes. This one is in Reese. So I'm gonna open it. Ooh, and it is like this beautiful, like, I think it's a holographic purpley. It has like yellow shimmer in it. Oh, so gorgeous, you guys. I cannot wait to put this on. And let me open it and look at the brush. Yeah, so it's okay. So it's a smaller brush, but you know what? I have wide nail beds, yet small fingers. So even though my nail beds are wide, I still have small nail beds because they're, so I might leave these in and just hold on to these little wide ones. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna switch them out or not, but I kind of like the littler ones. Maybe I'll switch them out. I don't know. I like the big ones too though, because like these Wet n Wild ones, they have the bigger brush, and I like those too. So we'll see. Okay, so the next one, and this one is the one I bought for my friend for her birthday. I don't even know when her birthday is, but eventually I'll give it to her. And if she's watching, I am so sorry. This is a spoiler, but I do want to share this nail polish with my friends here on YouTube. This one is in the name Faye. So Faye, if you're listening, this is for you. You'll get it on your birthday. I'll hold on to it. But if your birthday is like 11 months from now, I will send it to you a lot sooner. And this is gorgeous. I should have bought 2 of them. I really should have bought 2 of them. Here it is. It is like a metallic duochrome color. It has yellow and pink. Now this is so pretty. Okay, so there is Faye. I'm gonna put that one back in the box because it's hers, not mine. And oops, I put it in Reese's box. Oh, they have the names on the boxes too, right here. So yeah, let me put it back in Faye's box. And that's something I kind of like to do too. Hopefully people will remember me when I give them like things like that, like a nail polish, because those last forever, for most people at least. The next one, you guys, is Jolene, and it is a pink. And yeah, so I like pink, so I bought Jolene. It's just a cream shade. The next one is Shimmer. Really? I don't remember ordering this one. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Shimmer. Oh, it's a pretty like shimmery pink with tiny little, looks like tiny little flecks of glitter in it. So yeah, it's a pretty nudie pink. So there is that one. And the next one is Rebel. Let's see what that looks like. I don't remember. It's been weeks because, you know, the mail has been taking, it's been like almost a month since I made this order. Wait, it was April 23rd, I want to say is Earth Day, something like that. So it's been almost a month. The next one is this one here, which is Rebel. And I don't have a lot of blues, so this is really pretty. And it's a metallic, it has little flecks of shimmer similar to Shimmer. So there's that. Is that really named Shimmer? Is that, or am I just reading it right? Yeah, it says Shimmer. Okay. I just thought they all had like names. Well, Rebel's not a name. Well, yeah, it is. Rebel Wilson. Sorry, just thinking out loud. The next one is Tinsley. Okay. Ooh, this one is so pretty. I've been really into like duochrome metallic nail polishes lately. So yeah, this is beautiful. And that is Tinsley. And that is it for that first box. Let me get out the second box of polishes I got. And I will pull those out. And then I'll show you guys the free gift I got. It was such a great deal. I mean, I've never spent so much on nail polishes, but I was telling my husband, you know what? When I worked in mortgage, I would get my nails done every other month. And every other week. What am I saying? Every other week and a half, I'd go get fills or get full set. And that was like $70 each time. And since we've been married and I've had kids, I haven't had my nails done since Mila was born, and that's 7 years. I did get them done once for my friend's wedding last year, but other than that, in the last 7 years, I really haven't been getting them done at all. Even before that, like my daughter's 12, my oldest, and I haven't, you know, just on special occasions like her baby shower, Mila's baby shower, I got my nails done. That wedding last year, and those are the last 2 times I remember ever getting them done. Okay, so I found Beth. Here is Beth. That's my name, Beth. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Beth, and it is like a pretty taupey shade, and it's a shimmer, like a shimmery metallic. Yeah, so there is Beth, and then the next one is Joy. Now, I do follow Joy, Joyful Beauty here on YouTube. She also does a lot of nail polish videos, and she does some project panning. I'll have her link down below, as well as Diana. I love Diana. Some call me Coco. This is a pretty pink, this Joy one. It has little glitter flecks, not glitter, but it's a little shimmery, like yellow in it. So it's like a metallic. You guys can see that. It's just so pretty. So I'm excited to have that. The next one is my daughter's name, Calista. It's actually, we call her Calista. It's Greek for most beautiful. That's how I picked her name. Was I went to a baby book and I was like, ooh, Calista, I like it. Okay, so this is like this brownie red. I'm actually gonna let her have this one. She was excited to have a nail polish with her name on it, so there we go. It's kind of like a deep red brown with like a little shimmer reflex in it. So there is, I'm gonna put it back in the box because I'm letting her have it. She'll be excited to have the box with her name on it too. And then I got Guinea. It's either Genie or Guinea, G-I-N-N-I. Okay, and this one has a different kind of top. It's not like a hard plastic shiny one. It's actually a rubberized one, so it must be from a certain collection maybe. But this is Guinea. It has like little flecks of glitter in it that are very pretty. And it has like a yellowish tone to it. So I don't remember this one when I was picking it out. I don't usually go for like yellow tones, but yeah, so this is really pretty. I'm gonna try that out. And then I got Bobby. Now my stepdad's name was Bob or Robert. And they called him Bob, and I called him Bob, and my mom called him Bobby. So, but they're divorced now. So here is Bobby. Now this is just a beautiful color. These are like so up my alley. I love pinks and stuff. So, yeah, a lot of pinks, you guys, in this little haul, or the biggest haul I've ever done of nail polish. Okay, the last one, you guys, is this is Harper, and it's another pink, and it has little flecks of glitter in it, and they also go yellow, purple, and blue. You can't see it in this video, but yeah, that is gorgeous. So excited. Okay, so that is the last of the nail polishes. Now for the free gift I got. They gave me an NM Naked Manicure Gel Cure set. Let me know if you guys have this and if you like it. I have a bunch of Sally Hansen nail polishes in my closet. Let me know if you want me to do a video on that. But I got most of them at like the 99-cent store and stuff like that. But I didn't have a lamp, so I haven't been able to use them. They're just sitting there. So here we go. Here on the back, it shows what you get. You get the little lamp, you get a file, you get, I don't know what all these are. but I will pull them out and read them to you as we go right now. So I'm gonna open that up. Oh, and it came with little cotton balls. How cute. Okay, so little cotton to take off your nail polish. There is a little pocket in the inside. It has the directions, and that's a big old manual for directions, so it might be a while before I actually try it out. Here is a big nail file. You get 3 different textures. You get the buff, I don't know what the white one is, and then you get the more sharp one. It says shape. You get the shape one. So there we go. And then I got this Jolene. It says Jolene LED light, travel LED light. So let's see what that is. Oh, this is the lamp. Oh, it just folds out like that. That's so tiny. Okay, cool. And then I could probably just connect it to my computer here because it has a USB cord. Yeah, and I could do my nails while I watch people's videos. Yeah, okay. And then I got a little wood cuticle pusher thing. Then I got, let's see. Well, I'm gonna have to clean up a lot, you guys. It's a mess right here. I got the Jolly Cure, the coat of Jolly. Let's see, or wait, it's in a dropper. I'll have to watch somebody's video. If you made one, let me know about this, because then I could watch it and see how to do it. And there's that. It says Jelly Cure. Maybe that helps it, like, you know, dry faster. I'm not sure. And then I got the repair base. So I guess this is for the base of your nail, because Jolly polishes do take longer, I think, to take off. And here it is. And it's a nice bottle. It's like all kind of frosted glass. They're all glass though. I always get scared when people drop nail polishes. I was at Rite Aid the other day, and the lady, I got 2 of the nail polishes by China Glaze from the Trolls collection. I had Poppy and one other one, and for some reason I thought they weren't that much, and then when she rang them up, I was like, oh no, I don't want that right now. And then she threw them, and I was like, oh my god, they're gonna break. And I don't think they broke, but I was just like, wow, she just like threw those nail polishes down in a bucket below her register. The next thing that's in this kit is a Soak Off Gel Clear Coat, and it looks like this. And I got the nail polish Soak Off nail foils. Okay, so yeah, I've seen people use those. I've never used them. And then I got the lint-free nail wipes. I guess you wipe the lint off with these, and they're little squares. They look like tissue. So that's sorry, you guys, I missed 2 items that came in that kit from Zoya. So I also got the 3-in-1 Formula Remove Plus. It's a polish remover with nail cleaner, nail prep. Nail cleaner, nail prep. And it is, how many ounces? It's tiny. It is 1 fluid ounce. So there we go, 15 milliliters. And then I also got, this is 30 milliliters. It's the Naked Manicure Jelly Cure Clear Shine is what it's called. So it looks like a spray that you could spray on your nails, I think maybe afterwards to make them more shiny. Yeah, so back to my video. And that is it, you guys. That's it for my haul. If you made it this far, thank you so much. I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway really soon on my channel. So if you want to be entered, please comment down below the nail polish you like the best out of the collection I got. And not the collection, but out of all the nail polishes I got, please comment down below which one you like the best. And let me know that you want to be entered, and I will enter you in my giveaway. Thank you again. Please subscribe and like this video. That helps out my channel, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.